Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi there.
We are going to learn English through a simple conversation. We will just talk like friends.
Yes, we will talk about many things. I am a little nervous.
Don't be nervous, Max. You are doing great. We will speak slowly. We will use easy words.
Okay, that sounds good. Thank you.
So let's start with a simple question. Max, how are you today?
I am good. Thank you for asking. The weather is nice today. The sun is shining.
Oh, you are right. The sun is shining. It is a beautiful day. I love sunny days.
Me too. On sunny days, I feel happy. On rainy days, I sometimes feel sleepy.
Yes, me too. Rainy days are for sleeping or for reading a good book.
Ooh, you like to read. What kind of books do you like?
I like storybooks. Stories about adventure and sometimes funny stories. How about you? Do you like to read?
Yes, I do. But I like to watch movies more. Action movies are exciting.
Action movies are fun. My brother loves action movies too. But I prefer funny movies. They make me laugh.
Laughing is good. It is healthy.
It is very healthy. So let's talk about our hobbies. What do you like to do for fun, Max?
For fun, I like to listen to music. I also like to play video games with my friends.
Nice. What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music. It is easy to listen to. The songs are catchy.
Catchy. What does catchy mean? That is a good word.
Oh, catchy means the song is easy to remember. You hear it and then you sing it all day.
Ah, I understand. Yes, a catchy song. My favorite song is very catchy. I will not sing it now.
That is probably a good idea. I am a bad singer.
So, video games. What games do you play?
I play many different games, but my favorite is soccer. I play it online.
Do you play with people from other countries?
Yes, I play with people from England, Brazil, and Japan. We talk using English. It is good practice.
That is a fantastic way to practice English. You learn new words and you have fun at the same time.
Exactly. It does not feel like studying. It feels like playing.
That is the best way to learn, when you enjoy it. Okay, let's talk about food. I'm getting hungry.
Me too. I love food. My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza is delicious. What do you like on your pizza?
I like simple pizza. Cheese and tomato. Sometimes I add mushrooms.
Mushrooms are good. I like pizza with peppers and onions and pineapple.
Pineapple on pizza? Really?
Yes. Do you not like pineapple on pizza?
No, I do not. It is too sweet for me. I think it is strange.
Many people think that. It's a funny debate. People who like pineapple and people who do not.
Yes, a big debate. So, what is your favorite fruit, Emily?
My favorite fruit is the mango. It is so sweet and juicy. You have to try a good mango.
I like mangoes too, but they are sometimes messy to eat.
That is true. You need a napkin. Lots of napkins. What is your favorite fruit?
I like bananas. They are easy, no mess. You just peel and eat.
That is very practical. Bananas are a great snack. Okay, let's change the topic. Let's talk about our families. Do you have a big family, Max?
My family is small. I have my mother, my father, and one younger sister.
A younger sister. What is her name?
Her name is Lisa. She is 16 years old.
Oh, that is a nice age. Is she in school?
Yes, she is a student. She studies very hard. She wants to be a doctor.
A doctor. That is wonderful. You must be proud of her.
I am very proud. She is very smart. What about your family, Emily?
My family is bigger. I have my parents, an older brother, and a little dog.
Oh, a dog. I love dogs. What kind of dog?
He is a small, fluffy dog. His name is Coco. He is very friendly. He loves to play.
I want a dog, but my apartment is too small. It is not fair for a big dog.
That is very responsible. Maybe you can get a small dog like Coco.
Maybe one day. So, your older brother, what does he do?
He is a chef. He cooks in a restaurant.
Wow, That is a cool job. Does he cook pizza with pineapple?
No, he does not. He thinks it is strange too. He makes Italian food. It is very tasty.
I'm jealous. I wish I could cook well. I can only make simple things, like eggs or toast.
Toast is good. Everyone starts with toast. Maybe you can learn to cook. It is a useful skill.
Yes, you're right. I will try to learn. Maybe I will watch some cooking videos on YouTube.
That is a great idea. You can learn anything on YouTube. You can even learn English.
Yes, exactly. Like this video.
So let's talk about learning English. When did you start learning English, Max?
I started learning English in school when I was a child, but I was not very good.
Why not?
I was shy. I was afraid to make mistakes. I did not want to speak.
That is very common. Many people are afraid of mistakes.
Yes. But then I started watching movies and playing games. I realized mistakes are okay. Nobody is perfect.
That is the most important lesson. Mistakes are how we learn. If you are not making mistakes, you are not trying.
Exactly. Now I try to speak every day, even if it's just a little.
That is fantastic. What is the most difficult part of English for you?
Pronunciation. I think some words are very tricky. For example, the word squirrel.
Squirrel. Yes, that is a difficult word. Try to say it. Squirrel.
Squirrel. Squirrel. It is hard.
It is, but you are trying. That is good. Another difficult one is rural.
Rural. Rural. Oh no, my tongue does not like that word.
Mine too. Do not worry. We can practice those words another time. What about grammar? Is grammar difficult?
Sometimes. For example, the past tense. Why is it go and went? Why not goed?
That is a very good question. English has many irregular verbs. Go, went, gone, eat, ate, eaten. You just have to remember them. It takes practice.
It is a little crazy, but I'm trying to remember.
You are doing a great job. The more you read and listen, the easier it becomes.
That is true. Listening to conversations like this really helps me.
I'm glad to hear that. Let's talk about your city. Where do you live, Max?
I live in a big city. It is busy and noisy, but it's exciting. There are many things to do.
Do you live in an apartment or a house?
I live in a small apartment. It is on the 10th floor. I have a nice view from my window.
The 10th floor. That is high. Do you have an elevator?
Yes, we have an elevator, but sometimes it is broken. Then I have to use the stairs.
Oh no, 10 floors on stairs? That is a good exercise.
It is too much exercise. I prefer the elevator.
I understand. What is your favorite place in your city?
My favorite place is Central Park. It is big and green. It is peaceful. I like to walk there on weekends.
That sounds lovely. Do you go with friends?
Sometimes I go with friends. Sometimes I go alone. I just listen to music and walk.
That sounds like a perfect way to relax. In my city, we have a river. I like to walk by the river.
That sounds nice too. Is the water clean?
Yes, it is very clean. You can see fish sometimes, and people go swimming in the summer.
Do you swim in the river?
No, I do not. The water is too cold for me. I prefer the swimming pool. The water is warm.
I like swimming pools too. I'm not a very good swimmer, but I can float.
Floating is the most important part. Okay, let's talk about travel. Do you like to travel, Max?
I love to travel, but I don't travel often. It can be expensive.
I understand. It is expensive. What is one place you really want to visit?
I really want to visit Japan. I like Japanese culture, the food, the history, everything.
Japan is beautiful. I want to go there too. I want to see Mount Fuji and eat real sushi.
Yes, the sushi must be amazing. Where do you want to travel, Emily?
I want to visit Italy for the food, of course, and for the art. The cities are very old and beautiful.
Italy is a good choice. Pizza and pasta. No pineapple pizza, I hope.
Definitely no pineapple pizza in Italy. I promise.
Good. So, when you travel, what is the first thing you do in a new city?
The first thing, I find a map. Then I find a cafe. I sit and drink coffee. I watch the people. It is interesting.
That is a calm way to start. I am different. I go straight to the most famous place. I take many photos.
Oh, speaking of photos, do you want to see a picture of my dog, Coco?
Of course, I would love to see him. Aw, he's so cute. He's very fluffy. He looks like a small bear.
He does. He is a very good dog. Most of the time. Sometimes he chews my shoes.
Oh no, not the shoes.
Yes, the shoes. But I love him anyway. Do you have any pets?
No, I do not. But I like to watch videos of cats on the internet. They are funny.
Cat videos are the best. They always make me laugh. My favorite are videos of kittens. They're so playful.
Yes, kittens are cute, but they are also crazy. They run everywhere.
I know, little balls of energy. Okay, let's talk about our days. What did you do yesterday, Max?
Yesterday was Sunday, so I relaxed. I woke up late. I made breakfast. I met a friend for lunch. Then I watched a movie at home.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday. What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy. It was very funny. I laughed a lot.
Nice. I like to laugh. Yesterday, I did some cleaning. My apartment was very messy.
Ugh, cleaning. I do not like cleaning. It is boring.
It is boring, but I listened to music while I cleaned. That made it more fun.
That is a good idea. Maybe I will try that next time.
You should. Okay, what about your job, Max? What do you do?
I am a graphic designer. I make pictures on the computer for websites and advertisements.
That sounds creative. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I do. It is interesting. Every project is different. Sometimes it is stressful, but usually it is fun.
I'm glad you like your job. I work as a teacher. I teach English to children.
That is why you are so good at explaining things.
Thank you. I try to be clear. Children are great. They are not afraid to make mistakes. We can learn from them.
Yes, that is a good point. Children just try to speak. They don't worry.
Exactly. We should be more like children when we learn. Just try. Don't worry.
I will remember that. So, what do you do after work, Emily?
After work, I am usually tired, so I like to do calm things. I cook dinner, I call my family, sometimes I watch a little TV, then I read a book before I sleep.
That sounds nice and quiet. My evenings are noisier. I often play video games with my friends online. We talk and laugh.
That sounds fun too. It is important to connect with friends.
Yes, it is, especially when I am busy with work.
Speaking of busy, what are you going to do after we finish this conversation?
After this, I'm going to the supermarket. I need to buy food. My refrigerator is empty.
I know that feeling. What will you buy?
I will buy bread, milk, eggs, fruit, and some chicken. Basic things.
Good choices. You can make many meals with those things. Maybe you can try to cook something new with the chicken.
Maybe, but it might be a disaster.
Even disasters can be tasty sometimes. Just try.
Okay, I will try. And you? What will you do after this?
I will take my dog Coco for a walk in the park. He needs some exercise, and I need some fresh air.
Say hello to Coco for me.
I will. He will be happy to hear that. Well, Max, our conversation is almost finished. Do you have any final tips for our friends who are learning English?
Tips? Do not be afraid. Talk to people. Watch movies with subtitles. Listen to English songs. And most importantly, have fun.
Wonderful tips. Thank you, Max. And thank you, everyone, for watching and listening.
Yes, thank you. We hope this conversation was helpful.
Keep practicing. You can do it.
Goodbye and good luck.
Bye.